And thank you so much for joining me. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman with the Michigan News Channel, Southeast Lower Michigan, Detroit. Thank you so much for joining us once again. Today we're going to talk about the computer forecast weather models for Monday, February the 28th, 2017 at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is what we are anticipating. This is what computer models are indicating right now. We'll go ahead and zoom in so you can see what's going on for yourself. You can actually see that we're going to have like a rainy precipitation and maybe a little bit of a wintry mix setting up in parts of Oakland and Macomb County over there. A rain-snow mix section right along in that area, and then all the rain that you can see highlighted in green extends all the way up into the thumb area. They'll have a little bit of a snow chance up there, but gradually it looks like for most of Michigan and the western parts of Michigan, we're looking at indices of rain chances moving in as well. Stay tuned. I'm going to let you know what happens after that and how active it's going to get this week. Stay tuned. I've got more models after this. Stay tuned for the rest of the forecast coming up. And thank you so much for joining us. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman with the rest of our forecast. Now, this is what's going to happen, and these are computer models for February the 28th, 2017 at 7 a.m. for February the 28th. So this is what we do expect to happen. Generally for our area, we'll focus on the rest of the state in just a couple of moments here. But I just want to kind of outline something for all of you guys so you know that this section in Sterling Heights, sections of Macomb and Oakland County will see rain, and that stretches all along this area in the darker green shade is where we expect rain to develop, even in Ann Arbor, Detroit area, Jackson. You guys can also see that as well. So in Adrian, I believe we'll see this in Taylor, in downtown Detroit. And then farther towards the north, up in the thumb area, you guys will be seeing rain chances as well. And then the further north that you go, way up north up there, it looks like you're going to have a rain-snow mix and some ice. The ice is highlighted in purple. So that extends from this section of Michigan up here. You could see some icy conditions, and then over here in between the snow chances, I'll go ahead and zoom in here. So this is where we expect the icy mix to develop around in this area over here, and then along over here. So we'll stretch along this side over here, and then over here. So it's going to be in between the snow. So it looks like you're going to see snow, a bigger expanded band of snow along here, and then chances of ice will develop along this area over here. So we'll kind of watch for that. So it looks like a wintry mix will set up, but it looks like we're going to be on the wet side of it. I'm going to look at other models coming up, and we'll see what happens after that. And this is just forecast models for 7 a.m. on February the 28th on Tuesday. We'll be right back after this. Don't go anywhere. And happy Saturday, everybody, and welcome back. This is Chief Meteorologist Eric Tallman with the Michigan News Channel, Southeast Michigan, Detroit. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. These are just forecast models for February the 28th, 2017 at 1 p.m. on Tuesday. So you can see right now that we're still going to be in that rain sector right there. We still have rain chances all across the state of Michigan, but it looks like there might even be some better chances way up north, like in Traverse City and all of that. So it looks like just about everyone's going to have a chance of seeing some rainfall around here. We'll kind of watch that, and we'll see if the models change from there. If you're over near the Sterling Heights area, you probably will see some chances of rain in Macomb County as well. And then, like I said, most of the viewing area have chances for rain as well. So that pretty much covers the forecast models for February the 28th, 2017 at 1 p.m. We'll look into the other days and let you know what is coming up after that. Stay tuned for more. We've got you covered. And thank you for tuning in with us on this extended edition of our newscast. We'll be right back on the Michigan News Channel. Stay with us. And welcome back, and thank you so much for joining me. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman with a look at our forecast for Tuesday, February the 28th, 2017. Forecast models are indicating that we're going to be seeing a lot of rain develop all over the state of Michigan, even in our viewing area. And this is at 7 o'clock. These are the 7 p.m. Forecast models are indicating that a lot of us in the whole state of Michigan will be seeing rain all over the place. So that's how the setup is going to go. I'll look at Thursday, Friday, and see where we are with that, and I'll have that on a separate video. So please come back and join us for the rest of the remainder of the week, and we'll let you know what Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday's forecast and the highs and lows are going to be for the remainder of the rest of the week. We'll let you know when we're going to warm up again, and do we have any chance for snow? That's the other question. We'll talk about that coming up after this. Come back and join us. Please subscribe to our Michigan News channel. We really appreciate all of the views, all of your comments, and all of your likes. Please continue to view our channel and check out our latest, newest and latest videos and updates, and a whole bunch of new stuff. And I'll explain all the other features that are going to be added on this channel as well. Stay tuned for that update coming up later on in the day. Thank you. We'll be back with the rest of the forecast coming up after this once again. And you're watching the Michigan News Channel, Southeast Michigan, Detroit.